Hi, guys, when you're using a computer and you've been out of the computer for a few minutes, and then you go back to the computer, but it's dead, this video will show you how to set the desktop screen off, or always on as long as you set it up on Windows 11. First, you select the Windows icon, then select the setting in which you search and select the power item. In this power item, you select the down arrow of the screen and the sleep item. There will be two entries to set the brightness of the computer screen. The first is to set your screen off time after the time you set when there is no activity on the computer. Think that when you are not using the computer but still on, after that time of installation, your computer screen will turn off, but the computer is still active. There are time marks for you to install, depending on your settings. If you want the computer screen to never turn off while you're using it, choose Never. The second step is to automatically set your computer's time to sleep, after how long you set it. This will keep your computer running, but it will consume less power than just turning off your computer's screen. There are also set time intervals for you to set your computer to sleep, as you set it, or you can set it to never sleep by selecting Never. That's how to set the desktop screen settings on Windows 11. Help you set up your computer. If you see or like something, share it, and subscribe to the channel to watch more videos. Hello, and see you again.